Okay, you know the score. This knife here needs sharpening. Let's see how much... Cool, blimey. 1,464 grams.
Failed.
This knife is going to need some serious work.
Stop! Just stop! Stop!
Let's get started on the third 20 stone first. Oh, Days, look at that edge. Still loads to do to get rid of all those things. Onto the 1,000 stone now and refine that work I've been doing. That's looking good now, but let's move on to the 5,000 stone. This is where we start to polish it. From here out, the stones are all about polishing that edge. Each stone I like to end with deburring before I move to the next stone.
Yeah, I'm nearly done.
I want to get this thing to shine, so we are now on the 8,000 grit whetstone and it's looking great.
I'm an artist, you understand that? An artist!
We are really nearly there now. This is the last stone coming in at 10,000 grit. This video is obviously cut down, but this whole process takes me ages and a lot of effort. It's a lost leader service, so I can make these videos. Last bit is to strop soft leather with a mirror finishing paste on it.
Nice.
Absolutely beautiful. Look at that edge now. With that mirror finish too.
Perfect.
Back to the test rig. We are looking for less than 1,464 grams. 0 grams.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Last bit of shine off. This is an ultra thin Rizzler rolling paper and it slices it no problems. Leave us a like and a subscribe. Call me on 079 479 43243.